Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert Excel sheet to Word. Let's start by opening the Word file. When you do, go to the Insert menu. There, click on Object and click on Object again. You are going to open the Create from File tab and first check the box, Link to File. After this, click Browse and select the Excel file you are going to insert. Click Insert. You will see the name of the file. Now click OK. In your Word file, you will see the data from the Excel file. You can adjust its size, and if you double-click on it, the Excel file will open. Any changes you make will automatically be seen in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.